हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू करंट अफेयर्स अड्डा। करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 3rd of April. Let's start it. First question is, what is the theme of the Leaders Summit on Climate 2021? What is the theme of the Leaders Summit on Climate 2021? This theme is our collective sprint to 2030. Option number B. Sprint. What is sprint? Sprint like a race. Mr. Modi participated in this meeting. It was a 2-day summit and it was held virtually. More than 40 world leaders they participated in the summit. And Prime Minister Modi was invited by USA President Joe Biden. COP26 also held in Scotland, Glasgow. Scotland capital is Edinburgh. COP26 chairman is Alok Sharma. Alok Sharma will be the chairman of COP26. Scotland person Douglas Stewart. Douglas Stewart won the Booker Prize fiction book called Saggy Van. Marika Lucas won the International Booker Prize on her book called The Discomfort of Evening. The Discomfort of Evening is written by Malika Lucas. And since talking of books, which is the World Book Capital for 2021? Is capital of Georgia, which is Tbilisi. It is the World Book Capital by UNESCO in 2021 and 2022. It is the Mexican city of Guadalajara, World Capital Book of 2022. Okay, moving to the next question. When is the Earth Day observed every year? Earth Day observed which date? Answer is 22 April. Every year observed as a Earth Day. In order to create awareness, what is the Earth Day and why was observed every 22 April? In order to create awareness about pollution and to celebrate Earth atmosphere. Earth, Earth is also known as blue planet and Mars also known as red planet. You know this, right? And Earth is sandwiched between Mars and Venus. But do you know which is the closest planet to the Earth? It is Venus, you're right. What was the theme? So, it was the 51st anniversary of Earth Day and the theme was Restore Our Earth. Very simple. Restore Our Earth. And Earth Day started which person? Gerald Nelson. Gerald Nelson. Who is the Gerald Nelson? He was the politician. Remember that. Politician. Okay, moving to the next question. Which country is planning to launch its own space station by 2030? Answer is Rus. Russia. Russia is planning to launch their own space station by 2030. Russia will quit the International Space Station and they will have their own space station by 2030. And Russian space station is known as Roscosmos. Now, Russia recently decided to do their moon mission and their moon mission will be called Luna 25. It is the moon mission of Russia. It will be done by 45 year. Rus last moon mission Luna 24, which was in 1976. So 45 year after, it's called Luna 5. And it is not Russia alone. China lunar mission Chang'e 5. China lunar mission is Chang'e 5, and also NASA lunar mission is Artemis. In fact, India will also lunar mission called Chandrayaan 3. Yeah, you are right. And also Israel lunar mission Bear-Seed 2. VAIR Bear Seed SHEET 2. Lot of country want go to moon. In fact, even the country UAE will send their lunar mission called Raseed. UAE lunar mission is Raseed, lunar rover, only rover. Okay, next, moving to the next question. India was recently elected to which of the bodies of the United Nations? Commission on Crime, Prevent and Criminal Justice, UN Women, World Food Program, या all of the above? Answer is all of the above. Commission on Crime, Prevent and Criminal Justice, UN Women, World Food Program, all of the above. What is the additional details of this question? Yeah, I will tell you. And these three bodies which you can see are the screen on bodies of the UN Economic and Social Council. India has been elected to three bodies of UN Economic and Social Council. And where is the headquarter of UN Economic Social Council? It is in the New York. First in the Economic on Crime, Prevention and Criminal Justice. And remember, it is headquartered in Vienna, which is capital of Austria. Second is UN Women. UN Women is headquartered in New York. And the third is the World Food Program. Do you remember what is World Food Program, which was awarded Nobel Peace Prize last year? World Food Program headquartered in Rome, which is the capital of Italy. Okay, moving to the next question. Which has become the first party to declare the name of donor of the electoral bond? Answer is Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. Jharkhand CM is who? Hemant Soren. Okay, electoral bonds are one of the ways by which you can donate particular party electoral bond. And the first party to India to declare the name of the donors to make it more transparent is the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, and headed by Hemant Soren, who is the Chief Minister of Jharkhand. Jharkhand Palamu Rashtriya Udyan. Recently, Jharkhand government started a scheme to tackle malnutrition and anemia called Samar. What is Samar scheme? Tackle malnutrition and anemia. There are various dams like Mathon Dam, Panchet Dam, Patratu Dam, Masenjor Dam, and Tilaiya Dam. There are some festival like the Saravani Mela. Then we have Saraikela Chho. Actually, Chho is in three places. First, Saraikela Chau, which is in Jharkhand. Second, Mayurbhanj Chau, which is in Odisha. Third is Purulia Chau, which is in the West Bengal. Sarhol and Rohini, there are two most important festivals of Jharkhand. So today's video only 5 questions. This is my first video and thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.